Melanie.
Yeah.
You right? Mel, can you hear me? Can you hear me? You going tomorrow? Yeah, I'll be at that one, because it's supposed down there, that club anyway. I'm going to go step. What's the road? Did you see? Oh, he's so getting done. What an idiot. It's the road. It's the road. It's not what's video, he's young. The Indian guy, he was there with a group of us when we were at the Palestinian one last week. The girl son deaf to the idea. And they got a camera, do you remember? Yeah, but did you not watch his video? I sent it to you on WhatsApp. Did you see the police?
So doing nice politicians are going on holiday. There's war. When I was talking to Inquiry, I stated that, look, in my experience, politicians going off to recess, and their job can't be justified in constitutions. In all the boroughs in London. And I said, to me, that was like...
They got loonies there, right?
That's not his problem, what politicians do.
Why you give him proof?
I didn't give him proof. Press the alarm.
It sounded like that. And I had a couple of members of the public posting this over. They're just shouting at him.
Press the alarm.
Right.
Well, I was talking to him.
Excuse me.
Nice.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Dati si Komami. Eh, doon ko dito.
Ay, pa ganyan.
Kamusta ka din? Kamusta?
Listen to me. Listen to me. Right, we've been here all day, and you're the only person all day that's caused a nuisance about here because you're an attention seeker. Yeah, I am, mate. It's on camera. Stop talking, I'm not interested. Stop talking, I'm not interested.
Did you just say that?
Yes, I did.
Do you think that's right? Do you think that's right? No, but listen to me.
Alright, give me back.
Did they have like yellow banner?
Yeah, so you got like some
Thank you.
Peter, one.
Why am I that?
Get some on your own phone, Chef.
You get a photo of me. Oh, it's fine. So you've got a message from Instagram. Đây. Kan nama mama.
Thank you. Mind your backs. Excuse me. Folks, you'll need to move back behind the bollards. Thank you. Move back. Move back. Move back behind these bollards. Thank you. Move back behind the bollards. Behind the bollards. Thank you.